Checking account. A checking account is the most common everyday bank account. It was created to help people store money safely while still being able to spend it easily. Instead of carrying cash, customers could write checks and later use debit cards to pay for goods and services. What makes it different is its flexibility. You can deposit money, withdraw it, transfer it, and pay bills directly from it, often without limits on how many times you use it. It usually does not earn much interest, but that is not its main purpose. It matters because it acts as the center of daily financial life, connecting salaries, payments, and expenses in one accessible place. Savings account. A savings account is designed for storing money you do not plan to spend right away. It developed as banks encouraged customers to build financial security and earn a small return on their deposits. Unlike a checking account, it pays interest, which means the bank rewards you for leaving your money there. Access is slightly more limited, with fewer withdrawals allowed in some cases to encourage saving rather than frequent spending. It matters because it creates a simple and safe way for people to build an emergency fund or work towards short-term goals without taking on risk. Money market account. A money market account blends features of checking and savings accounts. It became popular as banks looked for ways to offer higher interest while still giving customers some access to their funds. Typically, it pays a better interest rate than a standard savings account, especially when the balance is higher. At the same time, it may allow limited check writing or debit transactions. The key difference is that it often requires a larger minimum balance. It matters for people who want their savings to grow faster while still keeping their money relatively liquid and secure. Certificate of deposit. A certificate of deposit, often called a CD, is a time-based savings account. It emerged as a way for banks to secure funds for a fixed period while offering customers a guaranteed interest rate. When you open a CD, you agree to leave your money untouched for a set term, such as 6 months or 5 years. In return, the bank usually offers a higher interest rate than a regular savings account. The difference is commitment. Withdrawing early often brings a penalty. It matters because it allows savers to lock in predictable growth without exposure to market risk. Student account. A student account is tailored specifically for young people in school or university. Banks introduced it to attract customers early in their financial journey. It usually functions like a checking account, but with reduced fees, lower minimum balances, and sometimes added educational tools. What sets it apart is its flexibility and forgiveness, recognizing that students often have limited income. It matters because it provides a safe entry point into the banking system and helps build responsible financial habits from an early stage. Joint account. A joint account is shared by 2 or more people. It became common for couples, families, and business partners who needed shared access to funds. Each account holder can deposit and withdraw money, depending on the agreement set with the bank. The defining feature is shared ownership and shared responsibility. It matters because it simplifies managing shared expenses, whether that is household bills or project costs, while also requiring trust and communication between the account holders. Business account. A business account is designed specifically for companies rather than individuals. As commerce expanded and regulations became more structured, banks created accounts to separate personal and business finances. These accounts often include features such as higher transaction limits, payroll services, and merchant payment processing. The main difference lies in documentation requirements and the scale of transactions. It matters because it helps business owners manage cash flow clearly, maintain professional records, and meet legal and tax obligations. High-yield savings account. A high-yield savings account is a modern variation of the traditional savings account. It gained popularity with the rise of online banking, where lower operating costs allowed banks to offer higher interest rates. While it functions much like a regular savings account, the interest rate is significantly better, although it can change over time. The difference lies mainly in the rate of return and often in the digital-first experience. It matters because even small increases in interest can lead to meaningful growth over time, especially for larger balances. Retirement account. A retirement account is built for long-term savings with tax advantages. Governments introduce these accounts to encourage individuals to prepare for life after work. Depending on the country, examples include tax-deferred or tax-free retirement plans. The defining feature is that funds are meant to remain untouched until a certain age, often with penalties for early withdrawal. It matters because it supports financial independence later in life, allowing savings to grow over decades through steady contributions and compound growth.